why under hot water above the also white like a diamond in the sky. Thank you, everyone. Happy day. Good morning. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vedanta Maiti. I am going to recite hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, not your ear. Yawn a little, run a little.